Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with ShareASale using Commission Junction alternatives, full guide step by step clearly. To start setting up with ShareASale, visit the ShareASale website. Click on the Affiliate Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Fill out the necessary personal information in the registration form. Submit the application to create your account. Check your email for a confirmation message from ShareASale. Follow the link in the email to confirm your registration. Once confirmed, log into your ShareASale account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and navigation menu. Next, explore the available merchants listed on the platform. Use the search function to find specific products or categories you are interested in promoting. Click on the merchant name to view their program details. Carefully read the terms and commission structure provided by each merchant. If you find a suitable program, apply to join it. Wait for the merchant's approval of your application. After approval, you can access marketing tools provided by the merchant. Look for banners, text links, and other promotional materials to use. Copy the unique affiliate links associated with the products you wish to promote. Now it's time to incorporate these links into your content. You can share your links on a blog, social media, or email newsletters. Track the performance of your links through the ShareASale dashboard. Monitor clicks and conversions regularly to assess which products perform best for your audience. Optimize your marketing strategies based on the performance data you gather. As you become more familiar with ShareASale, you may explore additional tools and resources available within the platform. Consider collaborating with other affiliates to expand your reach. Stay updated on new merchants and trends in your niche by regularly checking the platform. Make adjustments to your promotional strategies as needed to maximize your earnings. Engage with the ShareASale community to share experiences and tips. Continue to refine your approach for better results over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.